So Sam says, in terms of content creation on LinkedIn, what types of posts tend to generate the most engagement and yield positive results in terms of networking and professional growth? And I think we have talked about this a little bit and kind of touched on
Yeah.
it, but it doesn't hurt to
But
go
no,
back.
and let me tell you about something else that I think that really does answer Sam's question, and that is document posts. Now, we haven't covered that at all, so let's talk briefly about that. A document post is where you have some text as an introduction, and then you have what's really known as a slideshow. It could be a PDF of a PowerPoint presentation. It could be created in Canva, whatever it is that you have got as a presentation of some kind, which is really slides, and people scroll through them. Now, if those are really visual and they have a really good headline or a cover page on them that's eye-catching and it's got a topic that people want to know about, people will make the time to watch them. Don't make them 50 pages long. You want them to be sort of around 10 to 20 pages maximum, if that. But do make them eye-catching, and then you'll find that that is a really good way to spark engagement, because people will look at those. People who are not even readers and don't want to read long form content, and they don't want to look at video, they will look at those slides. So I think that's a really good way of adding content to your profile. Now, one of the things that LinkedIn's made a change to this year, which I absolutely love, is the activity page. So if I was to visit Bob's profile, Bob's been very busy this call, hasn't he? If I went to visit Bob's profile, I would be able to see all Bob's content listed under different tabs. So I would see his image posts under one tab, his video posts under another, his document posts, etc. And so that allows people to look at your content by the type of format that you've created it in. So say, for example, Bob, I want to look at Bob's content, but I'm not a fan of long form content. I don't want to read a lot of stuff. I want to have a look at Bob's videos. I can go directly to that tab and just look at Bob's videos. And this means that you can reach a much wider audience, because people can find your content much more easily than they were ever able to do before. And I just love that. I think that's just a great way for people to be able to choose different kinds of content that works really well for them. Because if they don't choose to do videos, then there won't be a video tab. If they don't choose to do documents, no document tab. And that's so really what you can see in that activity section is exactly what people have already done. I just love that, and I think it's ideal, and I'm really pleased LinkedIn's made this change.